this pot was part of the art exhibit Home is Here, where I have created seeds out of textiles. I call them seeds of belonging. And in the pot were air potatoes that I collected from the park. And those are these crazy vines. And they're actually considered an invasive weed here in Florida. But my video today is about nurturants. And so those are in this pot, and they sat on the table during my exhibit. And everyone that came through the exhibit was offered the opportunity to plant a seed for the future and write them on a strip of paper and put them into an installation I call the Springs House. So I'm going to read you one of those. I just pulled it out randomly. They wrote them on these little strips. This one says, I would like to give my knowledge gained by experiencing nature and her gifts and my encouragement to others to enjoy, conserve, and protect our natural resources. Another one said, more days outside with family and friends. Another one said, unity with Mother Earth and all animal and human kind. Another one said, I wish that our waters do not die ever, ever. And I want to show you that was written by a young person, I believe. Our waters and do not die ever, ever. This one was, I think, a special prayer. Reconnection to Mother Earth, balancing and flourishing planet. All the plastics gone from the water. So those are some of the seeds that were planted with their intention that day. And I brought this pot home. And I have not done anything to it. But the interesting thing is the exhibit was up for about 6 weeks. And those seeds, the air potato, started to send out little roots. And now here we are 2 months later, and it is taking over my apartment. See, it's all the way over there. We're going to take a little pause. Hopefully I can pause. Maybe not. Maybe I have to go quickly. But it's going towards the light. I have offered it no water at all. And on the other side it's got more light, so it's making leaves. But this is about the culture of nurture. So those seeds, just the intention and being together, I believe, has nurtured all of that growth. Because I want to show you some of the other ones that were collected at the same time, that were not part of the exhibit, but instead just sat outside on my back porch. So we're going to go super fast to see those. Alright, I'm just going to show you my floor because I don't want to show you my mess. But look, so these have a lot more light. They have ambient humidity, but really intentions at all. I think it's just a beautiful, amazing metaphor for that power of thought and nurturance of belonging. So here they are out here, and they're growing, but not like that first batch. All right. Thank you. What seeds are you going to plant today?